Charcoal shading, an artistic journey in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of art, focusing on the term charcoal shading. This video will help you understand not just the meaning of this phrase, but also its relevance in art and English vocabulary. So, let's get started. Charcoal shading refers to a technique in drawing and sketching where charcoal is used to create varying tones and textures. It's a popular method among artists for its ability to produce a range of shades, from very light to intensely dark. This technique is crucial in bringing depth and life to drawings. In this section, we'll explore the two main components, charcoal and shading. Charcoal. Charcoal is a black, crumbly drawing material made from charred wood. Artists use it for its versatility and rich, dark lines. Shading. Shading involves applying pressure to create different tones. Lighter pressure results in a lighter shade, while heavier pressure produces a darker shade. Shading is essential in depicting light and shadow in drawings. Here, we'll discuss some common techniques used in charcoal shading. Hatching and cross-hatching. Hatching involves drawing parallel lines close together. Cross-hatching uses intersecting lines for denser shades. Blending. Blending is the process of smoothing out the charcoal to create gradients and soften lines. Stippling. Stippling uses dots to create texture and shading, ideal for detailed work. Charcoal shading is significant in art for several reasons. Versatility. It's suitable for various artistic styles, from realistic portraits to abstract art. Depth and dimension. Shading adds depth and dimension, making drawings more lifelike. Expression. Artists express emotions and atmospheres effectively through the intensity and texture of their shading. We hope this video has shed light on the beautiful art of charcoal shading and enriched your English language skills. Remember, art terms like this are not just vocabulary, they're windows into rich cultural and creative worlds. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.